A morning view of the mine. It's freezing out here. We're in a gold mine in Nunavut, more specifically at the Agnico Eagle gold mine, the second largest gold producer in the world. Palamatic is installing a SmashR here. Our SmashR is used here to unpack big bags of sodium metabisulfite. The metabisulfite is then used to destroy or neutralize the residual cyanide that was previously used to dissolve the gold. All set. It's freezing cold. I'm going to head back inside very soon. It's mostly the feeling of the cold that's terrifying. It's not far from minus 50 degrees Celsius. Hello from Montreal, where the weather is absolutely beautiful. Do you know where Nunavut is? I'll let you look it up on a map. And then I'll take you there to install a SmashR, a Palamatic unit. We're going to get all this up and running. It's going to be incredible. With these oversized massage arms, SmashR helps break up and allows for proper emptying of big bags filled with hard, compacted products. It's 3,000 kilometers from the North Pole and far from home.